2019 Hummer H3, New Hummer H3 2019 to 2019 Hummer H3 Review, 2019 Hummer H3 Alpha, Buy New Cars. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Hummer brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Hummer H3, New Hummer H3 2019 to 2019 Hummer H3 Review, 2019 Hummer H3 Alpha, Buy New Cars. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Hummer H3, New Hummer H3 2019 to 2019 Hummer H3 Review, 2019 Hummer H3 Alpha, Buy New Cars. 2019 Hummer H3 is maybe one of the ugliest trucks on the markets nowadays, and we say that with all gentleness and caution we can. On the other hand, it is robust, but large, and very strong truck that is not made to be attractive but capable of heavy load and driving in off-road adventures. So, do not expect attractiveness, but massiveness and robustness will be its sign of recognition. Exterior, as we said, the design of 2019 Hummer H3 is not usual and similar to other modern trucks on the market, but that should not be its sore spot. Its wide and aggressive front end is decorated with recognizable grid grille and a very wide front end made of chrome. There are two small and rounded lights on the sides, too. The rear end is flat, with a spare tire on the truck door and simple rear lights. The car is high with a very highly positioned seat for the driver. Interior, 2019 Hummer H3 obviously has not made to be attractive or comfortable, so the cabin is rough, large, and simple, with not many additions and equipment. However, there is a great combination of brown and black leather on the wide seats, wide and very approachable dashboard and surely very attractive chromatic details. In terms of technology, there are such things as DVD player, a navigation system, journey control, Bluetooth, control windows, remote keyless and many other things. Engine, yes, we said that 2019 Hummer H3 is as strong as a massive vehicle, but there is a catch. It has a non-economical engine, with even 13 mpg average driving, thanks to the 5.3-liter V8 petrol engine and very heavy and robust chassis that slows down even this strong machine. However, its capability to drive on rough terrain as well as strength to pull 3,000 pounds of load in combination with 300 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque could be a good replacement for poor fuel economy. 2019 Hummer H3 release date and price. Even though we said not great things about 2019 Hummer H3, it is still very large and useful truck for heavy load and rough terrain. The price could also be competitive since base model cost around $32,000 and that number will not be much higher in higher trims. Trucks like 2019 Jeep Wrangler and 2019 Toyota 4Runner could be on the list of the competitors of this truck, and H3 offers something those do not have: cute robustness with massiveness and strength. If you are interested in, this vehicle will be on the market in the middle of the year. Thanks.